In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Nano Banana Pro to launch a one-person business through stunning infographic creation. We'll start simple so you can follow along. Open your browser and head to Google. This gives us a clean, familiar starting point and makes sure you can get to the right tool quickly every time. In the search box, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official result that points to Google's site. Choosing the official link helps you avoid copycat pages and ensures you have access to the latest image features you'll need for professional quality work. Click through to the Google Gemini website. Once you land on the app page, find the Create Image option. This is where the magic happens. Selecting it activates the Nano Banana Pro image capability inside Gemini and prepares the workspace for infographic generation. Now it's time to craft your prompt. The prompt is your creative brief, and the clearer you are, the better the output. Think about your target audience, the style you want, the level of realism, and the labeling details you'll need to communicate value at a glance. For this walkthrough, use a focused prompt like this. Create a hyper-realistic infographic of a gourmet cheeseburger deconstructed to show the texture of the toasted brioche bun, the seared crust of the patty, and the glistening melt of the cheese. Label each layer with its flavor profile. This gives the model a subject, a style, what to show in detail, and exactly how to label it, everything a client-ready infographic requires. Before you submit, consider small enhancements within the same prompt. You can specify a color palette that matches a brand, mention a clean white or dark background for contrast, or ask for legible, modern typography. You can also note the intended audience, like food bloggers, restaurant owners, or delivery brands, so the tone and labeling align with real business use. When you're happy with your prompt, click Submit. Gemini will generate the infographic using Nano Banana Pro's capabilities. Review the result closely. If the labels need more hierarchy, ask for bolder headings and smaller sublabels. If the textures feel too subtle or too intense, clarify that you want medium contrast and crisp micro details. Iteration is normal and fast here, and a couple of targeted refinements can transform a good image into a client-ready deliverable. Follow this exact flow to produce niche infographics for different markets, menus, product breakdowns, or quick start guides. With clear prompts and consistent styling, you're building a one-person creative engine ready for real-world clients.